The other option is using a web-based service, which allows you to log in into a separate piece of software on the web and use it to send your emails or add extra features to your old services. Some are made for home use and some are made for more professional environments. Let's take a look at several popular, safe and secure email providers. Encrypt is the most easy-to-use service on this domain is Encrypt. Encrypt is a free service to encrypt and decrypt your text message using AES encryption. This tool is implemented in JavaScript. That means that it works in your browser and can be used without sending sensitive information to third-party servers. This tool can be used not only for email, but for online chat or forums. All you need to do is to tell your recipient the passphrase that can be used to decrypt the message. Let's take a look at how can we encrypt and decrypt the message with Encrypt.
Okay, so to use Encrypt, you go to info-encrypt.com and you see this simple page where you can start using this service. To encrypt your message, you just scroll down to the text box. You can type your message right into this box. I think we will copy and paste this dummy text here. Then you type in the password you like. You confirm the password. You need to confirm the password only when you encrypt the message. When you decrypt the message, you can only specify password once. Okay, and you hit encrypt. And as you can see, you have this block with encrypted message and with the URL where you can decrypt your message. So you can copy this encrypted message and paste it into your email, into the online chat, into any forum you like. So anywhere you would like to share your secret message. The only thing you need to tell to your recipient is the password. Okay, for your convenience, you can also hit the link to encrypted message button. As you can see, you will get your link working in 90 days. Here's the link. You can copy it and paste it also into the chats, forums, emails, anywhere you like. Let's try it out. So the link brings you to the message. Here you can enter the password and decrypt the message. And here you go. That's your text. So this pretty simple tool lets you create encrypted messages in a snap.
Simple, isn't it? Sending. Sending is an encryption service that gives you such options as sending secure emails or platform integration with Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, and other services. There's no software required for your recipients, and most importantly, because sending does not store encrypted keys, only your recipients have the ability to decrypt your message. The basic version of the service is free.
Okay, so let's take a closer look at the sending service. The address is sending.com, and here on the page you have all the information about the service. You can register your free account, you can have a peek at the basic functionality. They offer military-grade encryption, they have the Outlook add-in that makes it easy for you to use this service for your business email as well as for your personal email. They have information on compliance of their service with the security standards, and they have information about the API by means of which you can integrate sending service into your infrastructure, into your applications, and so on. So I think this service is worth your attention. You should absolutely go there, take a look, and maybe this will be the one you will use for your secure email. The pricing for professional and corporate plans are also very affordable. Just take a look. For $5 a month, you have all the functions available to you.
Virtru. This service offers a broad selection of add-ons for Apple, Android, Outlook, Firefox, and some other platforms, but it doesn't offer any webmail services, although in this case you will have the options of using your old email. Virtru works with a keyless encryption that makes it easier for your recipients to work with your messages. Basic version is free of charge.
So Virtru is a simple to use service as well. You can see that the basic features include encryption of an email before sending. You can manage who sees your information and for how long they do. You can see and control message forwarding, and you can even revoke messages, and you can even revoke messages after they were read. That's great. And Virtru can be integrated with all major webmail services, as well as with iOS devices and Android devices. The company also offers business solutions. It has strong integration with Google Apps, so that you can use this service if your company or business uses Google Apps for communication. And soon it will be offering the Google Drive file encryption. The pricing is also very affordable. For $5 a month, you get all the pro features you can only imagine.
Logbin. Logbin is a web application for sending private email messages and files. Logbin also ends message persistence, which means your email message will not be backed up on email servers or stored in backup files. Network sniffers can also spy on your email traffic while in transit. Use Logbin to obscure the content of your message and avoid these hazards to your privacy. This service states to protect messages in transit with 256-bit encryption, and a 256-bit encryption is protecting your messages at rest as well.
You can send secured messages, you can secure your files and send them as well. They have Java app, Android application, and Outlook add-in. I didn't find any information about the iOS application. You can send an encrypted message right from their website. You just specify your email, your recipient email, subject, the text body, and you can even attach files here. The paid plan is offered for $10 a month. It includes 2 licenses, 2 users can use it. What is unique to this service is that they offer you the secure web forms. So if you have the need to gather some confidential information from your clients securely, you definitely need this service to do it.
Protonmail. Protonmail is a Swiss-based project that uses a so-called zero-access architecture to create an email client so people can send messages that cannot be overseen by anyone else. The encryption happens entirely on the client device, and Protonmail has no access to user data, so it can't dig into users' accounts and forward any details.
It offers great features like Swiss privacy. It's a Swiss-based service, so you can be sure that the data is protected by these strict Swiss privacy laws. It offers end-to-end encryption. There's no personal information required to create your email, so it can be pretty anonymous. The service is open source, and more to it, it is very easy to use, and it has a wonderful user experience design. The application, the web application, the iOS and Android application works flawlessly. So you get these secure mail for free. You can have the account set up in just a couple of minutes. And now you can even have the extended functionality with new Protonmail version. It has custom domains, more storage, it has email aliases, and all that stuff that you got used to using Gmail, for example, or Gmail apps, or Yahoo Mail or Live Mail from Microsoft. So you can have all this convenience topped up with zero access architecture that offers all these wonderful security features out there.
Tutonota. This service automatically encrypts all your data on your device. Your emails as well as your contacts stay private. You can easily communicate with any of your friends end-to-end encrypted. Even subject and attachments as well as all your contacts are encrypted. Tutonota is licensed under GPL version 3, essential to any encryption service, and is an open source project. It offers a clean and simple webmail interface as well as iOS and Android native apps. All essential features are free, but you can also use Tutonota Premium for additional functionality such as mail in your own domain name and even more. And it's pretty cheap. Worth mentioning that all data is stored in data centers in Germany, and I use this service for my personal email.
This Germany-based service offers also great functionality. It has all the native apps you may wish to have, Android, iOS, and so on. It offers great features for easy-to-use encryption. It's open source. The basic account is free, and if you wish to have some additional features such as your own domain for the email or inbox rules, you can go and pay €1 and have all these wonderful features they offer. Okay, so now you have some options of secure email services to choose from.